right, y'all. Rick's About the Morning Show. Listen, man, we got the one and only, man. We doing quarantine milling. That's what we calling it, quarantine milling with New Orleans chef Kirk Boudreaux. Y'all give him a big round of applause. Oh, Kirk, good morning, man.
Good morning, everybody. How y'all doing?
Man, I'm talking about the Black Tony of cooking. No, I'm just playing. Kirk, I ain't gonna play. You know your boy Rock T told me to say that. Hey, Kirk, so the chicken fried rice was it a hit yesterday?
I think so, man. I don't think it was uploaded yet. I didn't see it, but I think it should be up there today sometime.
Oh my God. It's on that. Well, anyway, Kurt, what you got today?
I'm doing some Italian meatballs with spaghetti and some herb butter garlic bread, man.
So you got spaghetti and what now?
Herb butter garlic bread.
Now how do you turn that around? How you put that together?
All right, we're gonna take this ground beef. I'm using spicy Italian, and we're gonna add some eggs, milk, Italian breadcrumbs. Then I'm gonna add the seasonings and preheat the oven to 400. We're gonna form these meatballs and put them in the oven until they brown. For the sauce, I'm gonna saute some onions, some bell pepper, garlic, some dry Italian seasonings, and then I'm gonna add the tomato sauce and let it cook down till it thickens. And so then we're gonna brown. After that, we're gonna take these brown meatballs and put them in for another 20 minutes and let it cook for that long. And we're gonna boil the pasta per instructions. And while boiling that water, you make that compound butter and set that aside. Then we're gonna put that broiler on, bake that bread off for about 2-3 minutes, plate up and serve.
Ooh. See, that sounds good right there. And that sounds like real Italian, not just a big pot of spaghetti that everybody just throw everything in the pot like your grandma used to make, which was good, but I like real Italian, though.
Well, I'm making my own sauce, but if you don't have that, then you just use the sauce that you have in your pantry.
But you can take regular spaghetti sauce and season it up with some oregano and a little Italian seasoning. Kind of put your own little kick to it, right?
Mm-hmm. What you say, Rick? Oregano?
I didn't say that.
Yeah. What is it? Oregano. I said oregano.
I just listened.
Remix version. He got me. Hey, but you can, kind of spice. All you have to do, get some plastic spoons and taste your spaghetti sauce and spice it up the way you want it. Let everybody know how they can find this recipe.
All right, now let me get that drum roll. Can I get that drum roll, please?
Here it is.
On Facebook, it's Boudreaux's Catering, and on Instagram, it's Chef_Boudreaux1.
Ooh, there it is. Come on. There it is. Y'all give it up and show your love for Chef Kirk Boudreaux.
Y'all have a good one, baby.